jewelry box. So we need a tape. See, this tape is over, so I'm using this base material. If you don't have, you can take a box of Colgate and then cut the strip like this, stick it, you will get the same thing. So you can use this also. If you don't have the big one, you can use the small one, stick it together and then you can use it. Now paper, color papers, whatever it is available at home. See, you can take an invitation card also, or a gift wrapping paper, a chart paper, anything which you have, or even you can take a cloth. See, this is a border, sari border, which is not used, so I have taken this. This box is also made of the cloth only, the waste cloth I was having. So let's start. Paper, a cardboard to make the base. So first thing, we are going to stick the strip which I had already cut for this in the same size. Okay, stick it. After sticking it, you will get this way. Then cut 2 circles from this. First, before that, you stick whatever you want. First take the paper on this, whichever you want, and then make a circle keeping the same thing. See, like this. Cut it. 2 circles we need. Cut it. See, I had already stick this. Then I mark it from the outside. Then cut 2 circles. Okay, one circle will go down and one circle will go up. So now I will show you how to do the cap. Now take one strip from this way. Okay, put inside this way first. See how much it is fitting. You have, see this, and this much should be outside. Okay, then first stick this. Before doing this, see, I have a used paper, so I will wrap this with this like this and I will cover it. Okay, like this. You have to cover this and then roll it and put inside. So you will get a white portion nicely. Put inside. First fixed it. See, it should be easily moved. See, that much tight you have to stick. Now put the glue. First put the glue. See, I'm putting the glue. Fix it here only. After fixing it, now you are going to make a mark first. See how much it is. See, first make a mark here. Okay, all over, and then just have a cut here till here, which lines we had done, just till that, all over the thing. Small cuts, not big cuts. Now I'm putting it inside again. Bend this. Okay, see, on this line, bend this. It shouldn't be not too tight also, not too loose also. This one going down. Okay, after doing this, stick the circle on this. Okay, this way. See, this way, and cut one circle from the paper and stick it on this. So you will get this way. For decoration, I have put in this tape on this, and see this, it's ready. If you like, you can decorate with the flower. So your craft is ready. Enjoy your craft and do it. Click your photo with your activity and send to me. Bye children, take care.